In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix stretch screen display problem on your Windows 11. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to click on the start button and then we have to go to settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on the option that is system. Then we need to click on display. And here we can find the option display resolution. Make sure you have chosen as to what is recommended. Okay, make sure you have chosen as to what is recommended. And then for the scale, also choose what is recommended. And then the next thing that we can do is to right click at the start button and then go to device manager. Once the device manager window is open, you just need to simply expand the list for the display adapters and you will find your graphics card. Right click on your graphics card driver, select update driver and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the driver that will work for you. You can try on the first one or the second one and just simply try as to what driver will work for you. Usually you can go with the latest one, which is the very first option, and click on next. Windows will successfully update your drivers, and after doing so, do not forget to restart your Windows. And the last thing that we can do after you have restarted is to right click at the start button and go to device manager again. In the device manager window, expand the list for display adapters. If you're facing the issue after you have updated your driver, then right click on your graphics card and go to properties. Click on the driver tab and you'll find the option rollback driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. Simply click on the rollback driver option and then follow the instructions, and then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.